In this video, I'm going to show you how you can access Netflix secret menu so you can get access to more TV shows and more movies in a specific category. So Netflix has a bunch of different secret codes which you can use to search for movies and TV shows in specific categories. So I'm going to link them in the description below, but I'm just going to show you how you can use them now. Now, Netflix has loads of these, so you can see you've got codes for dramas, and then you can filter through like classic dramas, crime dramas, and so on. And if you look at the right hand side of the page here, there's literally so many of these, and you can go and choose through these to find more movies that you wouldn't be able to really see on the main Netflix page. So let's say, for example, we want to search for horror movies. So if you go to the page which will be in the description below, you can then go and search on that page. Now the way I recommend you do it is by hitting Ctrl and F on your keyboard, or Command F, and then this box will pop up and you can type in whatever you want to search for. So I'm going to search for horror, and here we can then go through the 192 categories which are inside horror. So you've got anime horror, that could be a good one to search for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the code, and that's what you've got to do here. Then you need to go to Netflix. Now once you're on Netflix, by the way, this only works on the computer on Netflix, you can't do it on any other device. Now once you're on Netflix, you want to type netflix.com/browse/genre and then / and then the code that you've just copied. So in our case, we've copied anime horror. So now I'm going to click enter, and now we should get all of the anime horror specific movies and TV shows here. So you can see we've got horror anime, and if we scroll down here, we've got different horror anime TV shows and movies. Now granted, there aren't a lot of these, so it's not exactly showing us the biggest selection. So let's try something else here. So let's try something like, we'll try stand-up comedy. So if we go and copy this, we can then replace this code for the stand-up comedy code. And now we should only see stand-up comedy movies. So if we scroll down here, you can see you've got a lot more stand-up comedy movies. So that's essentially how you can use the Netflix secret menu to find different movies and TV shows. I'm going to leave a link to this in the description below. Anyone can use it. I mean, you can go and check it out. There's thousands of different categories and subcategories that you can use. I hope that video did help you out.